Look at the sign. Yeah.
Oh my
That
God.
says Beaumont.
Natural
Conservative.
environment. That's how high the river's gone up on this side.
June 21st, 2013. First day of summer in Calgary. And it's still raining. And we're expected, and the river has not crested yet.